There's a certain kind of woman who lives in a man's mind rent-free, not because she tries to be unforgettable, but because she is. She doesn't chase, she doesn't plead, she doesn't try to impress, yet somehow he finds himself thinking about her long after she's gone. She has this quiet power, this self-assured grace, that makes a man sit up straighter, question himself more deeply, and yes, even lose sleep. She's not just different, she's magnetic, the kind of woman who makes him wonder, how did I get her and how do I keep her? But here's the thing, her magic isn't in how she looks, it's in how she moves through life. It's in the way she is, the traits she carries that most people overlook. Let's dive into the 4 powerful traits that make a woman unforgettable. The kind of woman a man thinks about when the room is quiet and the lights are off. Trait 1. She has emotional self-control. She doesn't lose herself in the heat of the moment. She doesn't break down just to prove a point. She doesn't yell, threaten, or seek pity. Instead, she remains composed, anchored in herself, even when emotions are running high. This kind of emotional self-control is rare. It's not about suppressing emotions or pretending to be unaffected. It's about mastering them. She feels everything, but she doesn't let those feelings control her actions. She doesn't let anger speak for her. She lets wisdom lead. When she's hurt, she doesn't lash out. When she's disappointed, she doesn't guilt trip. She communicates clearly, honestly, and with intent. And that simple difference, it leaves a lasting impression. Because in a world where impulsive behavior is common, her calm feels like peace. And peace is powerful. To a man, this kind of woman is grounding. Her emotional maturity challenges him in the best way. It makes him think twice before speaking. It forces him to grow. And most of all, it makes him respect her on a level that goes deeper than words. He finds himself wondering how she does it, how she stays so centered, so clear, and he starts to crave that energy, not just because it soothes him, but because it inspires him to become better. When she walks away from conflict without saying something she'll regret, when she takes a moment to breathe before speaking, when she chooses grace over chaos, those moments don't go unnoticed. They haunt him. In the best way. And that's why she keeps him up at night, not because she's loud, but because her silence speaks volumes. Because she made him feel something real, something rare. And once a man experiences a woman who can stay calm under pressure, every other kind of chaos feels exhausting. Trait number 2, she's loyal to her standards, not just people. This kind of woman doesn't compromise herself just to keep someone around. She doesn't mistake attention for affection or presence for love. She knows what she wants, and more importantly, she knows what she won't accept. She understands that loyalty is powerful, but it becomes dangerous when it's blind. So while she values connection, she never lets it override her values. She doesn't tolerate disrespect just because she likes someone. She doesn't lower the bar just to make someone feel more comfortable. Her standards are non-negotiable. And that's what sets her apart. She may care deeply, but she never lets her emotions talk her out of her boundaries. If someone crosses the line once, she communicates. If they keep crossing it, she walks. Not because she's cold-hearted, but because she respects herself too much to stay in a space that doesn't honor her worth. And that kind of self-respect is rare. To a man, it's striking, even humbling. He realizes that she won't keep him around just because he shows up. He has to show up right. He has to be consistent, intentional, and respectful. Otherwise, she's gone. It makes her a challenge, but not the kind that plays games. She's not hard to get. She's just hard to deserve. And that's what keeps her in his mind. Because deep down, every man wants to feel chosen. But when he's chosen by a woman who has options, who has standards, and who doesn't settle, that choice feels meaningful. It feels earned. And that feeling doesn't fade. She may walk away from people she loves, but she never walks away from herself. And that unwavering loyalty to her own values, it makes her unforgettable. Men lose sleep over her not because she's difficult, but because she's different. Because when you meet a woman who won't abandon her standards for anyone, not even you start to wonder, what do I have to do to be good enough for her to choose me? And that question keeps him thinking, hoping, craving another chance to rise to her level. Trait number 3, feminine power with subtle strength. She's gentle but not weak, soft-spoken but never silenced. This woman moves with grace, yet you can feel the strength in every step she takes. She doesn't need to shout to be heard, and she never needs to dominate to make her presence known. Her feminine power lies in her calm confidence, a quiet force that draws people in without demanding attention. She understands the true meaning of femininity. It's not about shrinking herself to make others feel bigger, it's about owning her softness without apology. She can nurture and support without losing herself. She can encourage without controlling. She knows when to speak and when silence says more. That kind of energy is magnetic and deeply grounding. To a man, she becomes the woman he doesn't even realize he's searching for until he meets her. She doesn't compete with him. She complements him. She doesn't try to fix or lead him. She inspires him to lead himself, and that difference makes all the difference. She doesn't emasculate, she elevates, and her energy makes him want to rise, protect, and provide, not because she demands it, but because she brings out that natural desire within him. He finds himself thinking about her long after the conversation ends. Her laugh, the way she carried herself, the way she didn't need to win an argument to feel powerful. Her subtle strength lingers. It's in the way she stays rooted during chaos. It's in how she walks away from drama without bitterness or revenge, because she knows who she is, and that's more than enough. She doesn't try to be the boss. She just lives from a place of self-awareness, inner calm, and unwavering self-respect. And somehow, that makes her feel even more powerful than any woman who tries to control or compete. Her strength doesn't overpower, it inspires. And when a man experiences that balance of softness and strength, he doesn't just remember her, he aches for her. Because women like her are rare, and once she's gone, her energy stays. It stays in the silence. It stays in the spaces where no other woman quite compares. Trait number 4, she challenges him mentally. This isn't the woman who just nods and smiles at everything he says. She has a voice, a mind, and she's not afraid to use them. She'll ask the question no one else thought to ask. She'll challenge his opinion without attacking his ego. She's not argumentative. She's engaging. And that spark, that's what makes her unforgettable. She knows how to hold a conversation that actually goes somewhere. She doesn't just talk, she thinks. And when she speaks, it's clear she's someone who reads, reflects, and explores ideas beyond surface level. She can talk about goals, growth, psychology, even spirituality. Things that awaken parts of his mind he didn't know were dormant. And when she disagrees, she does it with grace. She doesn't belittle, she probes. She asks, "Why do you think that?" Not to trap him, but to understand. That rare blend of curiosity and conviction is what keeps him on his toes, and whether he admits it or not, he loves it. Because here's the truth. A woman who can stimulate a man's mind is far more powerful than one who only excites his body. When she challenges him mentally, she activates something in him that no one else does. She taps into the part of him that craves growth, depth, and real connection. And that's the part that stays. Long after she leaves the room, he's still thinking about what she said, still playing her words back in his head, still wondering how she sees the world the way she does. She becomes the voice in his mind during quiet moments, the reminder that life can be deeper, more meaningful, and more alive. He may meet many women, but the one who challenges him intellectually, she leaves a mark, not because she argued, but because she awakened him. And when a man feels awakened by a woman, that feeling becomes nearly impossible to forget.